Okay. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. First thing first, my name is Reynold. You can call me Ray or Reynold. I am still schooling in Person University. So today's material will be from Unit 11. How long have you been? With the word, the term been. Okay. So, as you guys can see here in the material, is my share screen clear enough? Share screen gua ini nggak jelas nggak?
It's clear.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Steven and Aisha. So, as you guys can see here, there's already an example from the case. So, Dan and Kate are married. They got married exactly 12 years ago. 12, 20 years ago. So today is their 20th wedding anniversary. So they have been married for 20 years. We say in the present form, we say they are married because it's present, so we're using are. But how long have they been married is the question because it's using present perfect. So the term will be how long have they been married, with the word that we use is been or have been for 20 years, the subject. So as you guys can see here, we use the present perfect to talk about something that yang terjadi di masa lalu tapi masih berlangsung di masa sekarang. So it began in the past, but it still continues until now. So compared to the present perfect. So this is the example, as you guys can see here. Paul is in hospital. He's been in hospital since Monday. Ini basically kayak ini ya. Kalimat-kalimat contoh sebab akibatnya ya. Berarti ini kan Paul ada dalam sedang berada di rumah sakit berarti kan. Berarti present perfectnya adalah maksudnya past perfectnya adalah his apa sih? Iya, present perfect. So he's been in hospital since Monday. Jadi dia sudah ada di hospital since sejak hari Minggu. So Senin maksudnya. So we know each other very well. We've known each other for a long time. So basically, person perfect itu has been we have known what they have had since been waiting. So the current time condition will be past during now. So yeah, past perfect, present perfect. There's any other condition here. I've known, I've had, I've lived, etc. Is a present perfect simple example. So basically using I have been, I have had, I have lived, some sort of. These are also the example that we use. Some verbs are pretty much using like this. No and like are not normally used in continuous because they have no any other form. So how long have you known Jane? I've had this shoes for age, some sort of. But and you can also either to use continuous or simple with live and work. So this is basically just the example of the words. This one, Julia has been living in this house for a long time, or Julia has lived, some sort of. Then the last, we say I haven't to done something since blah 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 or for blah 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 blah. The example is like this. So I haven't seen Tom since Monday. Sarah hasn't phone for age. Gitu. Okay. With the material, do you have any question, Steven and Aisha?
Yeah, it's very fast explanation.
Okay. Oh, we do have Rizka Binawan here. Halo Rizka Binawan. Uh, Mungkin perhaps aku bakal jelasin ulang ya pakai bahasa Indonesia aja jadi kalian mengerti gitu. Oke, jadi di sini kita kan belajar tentang present perfect. Nah, present perfect ini salah satu contoh kalimatnya adalah how long have you pakai been ya, termnya. Di sini ada contoh nih, Dan dan Kate sudah menikah. Mereka menikah 20 tahun yang lalu. Jadi ini adalah ulang tahun pernikahan mereka yang ke-20. Nah, contoh kalimatnya itu kayak gini. They have been married for 20 years. Berarti mereka sudah menikah selama 20 tahun kan. Nah, kalau dalam masa sekarang atau present kan kita bilangnya mereka sudah menikah. Berarti pakai apa? Pakai are kan? They are married kan? Berarti ini apa past kan? Jadi mereka sudah menikah. Tapi kalau misalnya ditanya how long have they? Tapi misalnya untuk memastikan waktu itu bisa dibikin seperti ini pakai pertanyaan dari present perfect. So kalimat-kalimat present perfect. Jadi how long have they been married? Ini kan mereka kasusnya sudah menikah kan? Nah, kalau misalnya kita tanya kapan mereka menikahnya itu pakai present perfect. How long have they been married? Sudah apa? Sudah berapa lama mereka menikah? Dan jawabannya they have been married for 20 years. Yeah, 20 years. So itu basically contoh utamanya seperti itu ya. So kita pakai present perfect untuk membicarakan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu tetapi masih terjadi sekarang gitu. Misalnya contohnya kayak ini nih. Paul di rumah sakit gitu kan. Nah, kalimat pembantunya adalah dia sudah ada di rumah sakit semenjak hari Senin. Dia pakainya has been gitu kan. Jadi misalnya contoh pertanyaannya kira-kira seperti apa? Misalnya Steven kira-kira. Ini kan Paul is in hospital. So he's been in hospital since Monday. Kira-kira pertanyaannya, contoh pertanyaannya, contoh kalimat pertanyaannya kira-kira kayak gimana? Misalnya pakai present perfect.
Maybe where Paul, yeah, I don't know what this closing sentence.
Oh, okay. So,
Maybe from where? Yeah.
hello. Is there anybody else talking? Okay. Yeah. So the example can be like this, yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me put the text here. So, the explanation will be like he's been in hospital since Monday, right? And then, if you ask to someone, you can simply ask them like this. So, how long have uh Paul been in the hospital? Yeah. Okay. That way. Clear enough, Steven?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, ini juga ada beberapa contoh lainnya ya, kayak we know each other very well, we've known each other for a long time, and so forth. Nah, di bawah-bawah ini adalah salah satu ada beberapa kasus di mana kita bisa menggunakan present perfect itu sendiri. So first thing first, we do have this the term I've known, I've had, I've lived, and etc. is the present perfect simple. So pretty much different with the present perfect continuous, which using the different kind of words. So I've been learning, I've been waiting. Kira-kira perbedaannya di mana ya? Kalau misalnya kalian tahu, ini kan ada present perfect simple nih sama present perfect continuous. Ini term-term yang digunakan. I've known, I've had, I've lived. Ya kalau belum tahu, I've itu ini ya I have berarti ya. Ini kayak singkatan aja gitu. Ini kan beda nih. I've known, I've been gitu. Kenapa ada been? Kenapa ada yang nggak pakai been gitu? Ada yang tahu nggak kira-kira? Oke, mungkin aku bisa jelasin ya. Kenapa itu berbeda? Titik bedanya adalah di sini kan present perfect continuous. Artinya apa coba? Present perfect continuous. Dari kata continuous ini sendiri kita udah tahu kalau hal itu masih berlanjut atau sedang dilakukan gitu. Nah, kenapa kenapa seperti itu? Karena ya ini contoh kalimatnya menggunakan ing. Jika sudah ada kata yang menggunakan ing berarti kata adjektif itu sedang dilakukan gitu. So, the example will be like this. When we ask or say how long, the continuous is more usual. Gitu kan? So, this is the example. Basically, I've been learning English since January. It's been raining all morning. Richard has been doing the same job for 20 years. Some sort of. And then, ini contoh-contoh lainnya aja sih. Kalian bisa pakai kata-kata lain. Kalian bisa atur-aturin sendiri gitu. Nah, itu untuk ini ya, present perfect. Yang how long have you been? Okay, I think we will go to the exercise. We do have an exercise here, so it's all of you will gonna have to answer to this kind of question. So, ini udah dijawab kan? Berarti we're gonna work on this one. So, this is the example, okay? A friend tells you that Paul is in hospital, so you ask him how long Paul in hospital. Ini kurang lebih sama yang kayak aku tanya sama Steven tadi ya. Contoh pertanyaannya, kalimat negatifnya, how long has Paul been in hospital gitu kan. Nah, misalnya soal nomor 2 nih. You know that Jane is a good friend of Catherine's, so you ask Jane bla 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 bla. Nih, salah satu contoh pengerjaannya ya seperti ini. How long has you been kok has what? How long have you know Catherine? Gitu. Nah, ini adalah contoh ini ya, past perfect ya. Oke. Ini soal-soal berikutnya aku minta kalian untuk coba menjawab ya. Salah nggak apa-apa, kita belajar. Nanti aku jelasin lagi gitu. Oke, mungkin soal nomor 3 bisa dijawab sama Steven coba. Kira-kira apa nih? Ini kan kasusnya adalah your friend's sister went to Australia some time ago and she's still there. You ask your friend. Pakai kalimat pakai kata how long, sister sama in Australia. Kira-kira seperti apa?
Okay. How long has your sister in Australia?
Your sister in Australia gitu.
Yeah.
Oke.
How long has your sister been in Australia?
Aha. So we're using been, right? Okay. That's a good one, Steven. Thank you. Okay. Get to the next question. You meet a woman who tells you that she teach English. So you ask her, how long? Strap you, strap teach English. I think Rizka, can you answer this? Rizka,
How long have you
how
teach
long
English?
have you
Teach English.
teach English? Gini ya.
Yeah.
Oke. Oke, terima kasih Rizka. Tapi di sini aku mau ini lagi ya, perbaiki lagi ya Rizka. Tapi nggak apa-apa, udah bagus banget usahanya. Jadi how long have you-nya udah benar, oke? Tapi ini kan kasusnya adalah you meet a woman who tells you that she teach English. Berarti kira-kira woman ini, si subjek woman ini dia masih ngajar bahasa Inggris nggak? Atau udah?
Masih.
Masih kan? Berarti ini apa? Continuous nggak berarti?
Continuous.
Oke, nah berarti kalau misalnya continuous, ini kan kata objeknya teach kan. Kalau continuous berarti ditambahin apa coba kira-kira?
Jadi teaching.
Nah, betul teaching. Nah, setelah kita ganti teaching jadi teaching, kira-kira kurang kata apa lagi nih? Have you
Been.
been ya?
Hmm.
Teaching English. Oke, good one. Rizka, terima kasih ya. Oke, get to next question. Pertanyaan nomor 5. Tom always wear the same jacket. It's very old. So you ask him, how long you have that jacket? Okay, perhaps Aisha, maybe you can answer this question. Hello, Aisha, are you following? Okay, I think Aisha have some problem, but it's okay. Steven, what do you think?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Okay. So, the case are Tom always wears the same jacket. It's very old. So you ask him blah 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 blah. How long? Strip you, strip half, strip that jacket.
Yeah. I think how long
How long?
have you? How long you have been? Uh, how long you having that jacket been?
Have been that jacket. Seperti ini. Oke. Ini ngawur ya. But it's okay. Thank you, Steven, for the try. The real expression will be in this way, ya, guys. How longnya ada benar. So, in simple way, you can use had, ya, sebagai pengganti have ya, karena dia sudah punya jaket itu dari lama, berarti itu dari past ya. How long has, berarti how long have you, kok have you had that jacket. Nah, ini bisa ya. Oke, next question. You are talking to a friend about Joe, who now works at the airport. So you ask your friend, how long has Strip Joe Strip work Strip Airport? Rizka, what do you think?
How long has
How long
Joe
has Joe
been working in airport?
been working in the airport? Okay.
Oh.
Has Joe been working in the airport? Ini benar ya. Oke, ini benar Rizka. Terima kasih ya. Tapi I think it is better if you use at ya, bukan in. Anyway, thank you Rizka for trying to help. And then the last question. You meet somebody on a plane. So she says that she lives in Chicago. So you ask her, you blah 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 always live in Chicago. Steven coba. Gimana?
Okay. How long?
How long?
Yeah. How long have you been always living in Chicago?
How long has ya?
Yes.
Has
Has been always living
always living in Chicago.
in. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe that.
Okay. Actually, Steven, this is a great sentence that you make, but it's not very neat. Yeah. It's violating all the rules of words. So mungkin kita bisa bikin lebih simpel ya, kayak tidak perlu pakai how long, but there's a lot of other expression. So let's take an example that you say, have you always lived in Chicago? So that's way much better. Okay. Ini 11-12 dan ini oke. Ini sebenarnya panjang banget, cuman kayaknya kita nggak akan keburu buat ngisiin ini. So we're gonna strike to the next material, but then again, at the end of the lecture, we'll try to do this together again. Okay. So next material: for, since, when, and how long. So unit 12. So the condition here, we use for and since to say how long something has been happening. Jadi kita pakai for sama since untuk bilang sudah berapa lama sesuatu itu terjadi gitu. Kita pakai for ditambah sama waktu, so itu bakal menjadi kalimat yang menyatakan satu ekspresi gitu. So we've been waiting for 2 hours gitu kan. Jadi di sini kira-kira period of time-nya apa coba? Pastinya 2 hours ini kan. So for ini adalah kata bantunya. So ini adalah contoh-contoh lain dari for ya. Sally has been working here for 6 months. Jadi untuk menggunakan for, jadi for itu akan selalu dibarengi sama period of time kalimatnya. Entah itu 2 hours, entah itu a years, entah itu 2 months dan lain-lainnya gitu. Ini ada contoh-contohnya, ada 2 hours, 20 minutes, 5 days, a long time, 6 months, 15 years, a week, age, years gitu. Nah, untuk since itu berbeda sama for ya. Karena di sini since itu kata-kata selanjutnya adalah kapan hal itu terjadi. So the start of a period. So bedanya dengan ini adalah akhir dari hal itu terjadi. Maksudnya akhir dari kejadian itu gitu. Nah, untuk since itu kayak menyatakan sejak gitu. Jadi kalimat berikutnya dari kata since adalah the start of a period gitu. So we've been waiting since 8 o'clock. Jadi mereka sudah menunggu sejak jam 8 gitu. Nah, ini adalah contoh-contoh lainnya. Sally has been working here since April. Berarti Sally sudah bekerja di sini semenjak bulan April gitu. Dan ini adalah contoh-contoh lainnya ya, ada 8 o'clock, Monday, 12 May, April 2001. Sebenarnya sama aja, cuman bedanya di sini since itu sejak dan for itu sudah seberapa lama gitu. Gitu. Bukan gitu. Maksudnya kapan berakhirnya berakhirnya hal tersebut. Sorry. Okay, these are any other examples of expression we have here. So we often leave out for blah blah blah, but not usually in a negative sense. Ini adalah contoh kalimat lainnya ya. We often leave out for. Nih. Ya kurang lebih sama. They've been married for 10 years or they've been married 10 years. They haven't had a holidays, some sort of. So kalian juga bisa pakai in selain for ya di kalimat negatif. Misalnya they haven't had a holiday in 10 years. Sebenarnya bisa aja pakai for 10 years, cuman akan lebih better if you guys use in ya. And then we do not use for plus all gitu ya. Nah, kalau misalnya ada expression kalian menggunakan all, misalnya kayak gini, all day, all my life, atau all years, all months gitu. Itu kita tidak langsung pakai for ya, karena itu karena aturannya tidak seperti itu. Jadi I've lived here all my life itu tidak pakai for. Kalau pakai for dia bakal aneh gitu. Oke. Terus kita akan mengcompare when yang dipakai di past simple dan how long gitu. Ada yang tahu nggak when itu apa dan how long itu apa? Itu when dan how long itu kurang lebih sama seperti for dan since. For itu kan untuk gitu kan, dan since itu kan sejak berarti. When dan how long itu berbeda juga. When itu dipakai di kalimat past simple dan how long itu dipakai untuk present perfect. When itu adalah kapan dan how long itu sudah berapa lama gitu. Jadi misalnya contohnya seperti ini nih, percakapan ini. When did it start raining? Kapan hujannya mulai gitu kan. So dijawabnya it start raining an hour ago. Itu hujannya sudah mulai 1 jam yang lalu gitu. Nah, ini pertanyaan menggunakan how long ya. So how long has it been raining? It's been raining for an hour. Kurang lebih sama aja, cuman uh, kita pakai dua kata yang berbeda ini di masing-masing dua tenses yang berbeda. Yang satu untuk past simple when, dan yang satu untuk present perfect how long. Ini ada contoh lainnya ya menggunakan when dan how long. Kemudian ini ada it's, kita bisa it's been. Dan untuk menggunakan a long time, contoh-contoh waktu ini itu bisa pakai it's dan it's been ya. So it's been 2 years, it's 2 years since I lost Sojo. Ini basically example-examplenya aja gitu. Oke. Ada yang mau ditanyakan nggak dari ini menit 12 nya? Oke, kalau nggak ada, kita bakal kerjain exercise lagi ya. Sedikit aja untuk teman-teman coba. Oke, di sini ada for dan since. Sebentar aku buka di HP. Oke, ini gampang banget, cuman perlu ngelengkapin for dan since. Kira-kira pakai apa di kalimat ini gitu. Misalnya kalimat nomor 2, Paul has lived in Brazil for atau since 10 years itu. Nah, ini kan kalimatnya adalah Paul sudah hidup di Brazil titik 10 years gitu kan. Berarti kira-kira menggunakan apa? Pastinya kita akan menggunakan since ya, karena dia sudah live dan ini pas. Oke, seperti itu. Oke, soal berikutnya aku akan minta kalian untuk kerjain sesuatu. Soal nomor 3 misalnya. I'm tired of waiting. We've been sitting here blah 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 an hour. Kira-kira apa nih Stephen? Bakal yang kita taruh di sini. Apa for atau since? Halo Stephen, are you still following?
Hello, for.
Oke. Kita pakai for ya. Terus soal nomor 4, Kevin has been looking for a job blah 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 blah. He left school. Maybe Ariska, what do you think we should put here?
Since
Oke, benar ya, since. Jadi Kevin sudah mencari pekerjaan sejak dia keluar dari sekolah gitu. Oke, nomor 5, I haven't been to a party blah 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 ages. Ini kira-kira apa, Stephen?
For.
Ya, for ya, benar. Oke, Nomor 6. I wonder where Joe is. I haven't seen him la 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 last week. Kira-kira apa, Rizka?
Since bukan Kak?
Iya benar ya, pakai since. Karena sejak minggu lalu. Okay, next question. Jane is away on holiday. She's been away la 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 Friday. Apa nih kira-kira, Steven?
Since.
Oke, benar. Benar ya pakai since karena sejak hari Jumat. Okay, last question. The weather is dry. It hasn't rained la 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 a few weeks. Kira-kira apa nih, Rizka?
Or
Ya benar ya. Okay, I think you guys following so well. We do still have another question here, but we're gonna work it later. Anyway, for this material, do you guys still have any question? If no, then I think we will end the class for today. Thank you for your participation. Later on, I will send the rest question that we haven't hasn't been worked to your contact here in via Discord or maybe Line or WhatsApp. So stay tuned and I hope you do the best. Anyway, kita karena udah selesai, aku minta tolong kalian untuk apa sih namanya? Ini dulu ya, on cam dulu soalnya uh, aku mau screenshot buat data arsip juga. Oke, Steven udah, Rizka dan Aisyah nggak bisa on cam ya? Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, ini sebelah aja. 1, 2, 3. Sekali lagi ya. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Thank you ya, Rizka, Stephen, dan Aisyah. You guys may leave the room, and I will later on sending you the rest question. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.